If you want to back up your WordPress website without using any plugins, then this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel Technitize, where learning becomes earning. Today's topic is to back up your WordPress website using cpanel. Regular backups are essential to protect your website from any unexpected issues such as hacking, data loss, or software updates gone wrong. In this video, we shall walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a full backup of your website using cpanel. So let's get started. There are two ways to back up any WordPress website. One, use a plugin, and two, without any plugins. Now, if you prefer to choose a plugin, remember one thing: the more plugin you install, the slower your site will become eventually. And furthermore, you need a paid plan for plugins at later stages. Now let's start our tutorial on how to back up WordPress website without plugins. Okay, so assume your website name is domain.com. For any website, you need to log in to their control panel, which is cpanel. First enter your website domain.com and then put a / and then type cpanel. This will take you to the cpanel account, and you need to enter by providing your username and password. And if you don't remember your username password, you can recall it from the welcome email that you received at time of buying a hosting plan, or you can contact your hosting provider. Once you have logged into cpanel website, you will see an interface like this. And if you look at Files tab, and you will see Backup and Backup Wizard. So you need to click Backup Wizard. This will take you to the next page, which will provide you some options to backup or restore. Since we are here to backup, so we click on this button, Backup, and again there are two options: full backup or partial backup. Full backup is essential if you want to migrate your website from one host to another. So simply you can create full backup, download it and upload to the new server. All your settings will be migrated in simply a click. Now our requirement is just to create a backup on the same server. We select partial backup, and there are three options. We need to back up each one. First, home directory, which means you are going to back up entire folders and files. Second step is to back up your databases, and third is email forwarders and filters. These are email forwarding and settings you have created. You can also back up. So first click on home directory, and it will say download a home directory backup. You need to click on it. Once you click it, it will ask you to save in a folder. You need to click save, and here it is downloading. Similarly, you can back up your databases. If you click on it and click the database name, click and again save. So this way you have created a backup of your WordPress files, folders and databases. And lastly, you can also create backup of email forwarders and filters in the same way. Here you need to select your website and click save. That's it. It was so simple and easy, and you don't have to use any plugin for this. And once you have created a backup, you can also restore it going to the first step, which says restore, and here you can click which item you want to restore. Well, that's it for the backup of WordPress website, and it was super easy. In the comment section, please tell me how difficult or how easy it was for you. Did I mention that 30,000 people on YouTube are searching on monthly basis for the same topic? They want to know how to back up a WordPress website. And you have seen it, it's super easy. And why I'm telling you this? Well, there is an opportunity that you can create a gig on freelancing platforms and offer them your paid services. Well, that's it for today's video. If you have something in mind, comment section is all yours. In the meanwhile, I see you in the next video.